GeopByte.
Now, let us start exercise number 1.3. In that, we have the first problem, find each of the following products, and some questions are given below. Before solving that, we will see a rule, that is BODMAS rule. BODMAS. B means brackets, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. This rule will be used in a problem when there are numbers in a bracket with these signs. We have to solve in the order. First division, next multiplication, next addition, and then subtraction. Right? Right. Now, we have the first problem as 3 into minus 1. Before knowing this, let us know few more rules. That is, plus into minus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Right? Plus into plus is plus. So, after knowing these rules, let us solve the problems. Now, let us solve a bit. We have 3 into minus 1. As we have 3 into minus 1. So, 3 ones are 3. We have plus here. Plus into minus is minus. So, 3 ones are 3. That is minus 3 by this rule. Plus into minus minus. Plus into minus minus. 3 ones are 3. Now, let us see B bit. We have minus 1 into 225. In this case, minus 1 into 225 is positive integer. So, minus into plus is minus. 225 ones are 225. Same, this rule we have followed. Now, let us see another question. That is C bit. We have minus 21 into minus 30. Here, the condition is minus into minus. We have minus into minus is equal to plus. That means minus 21 into minus 30 becomes 21 into 30. As minus into minus becomes plus. Now, 21 into 30. What is 21 threes? 63. As we have 30, 630. 21 into 30 is 630. Now, let us see D bit. Same. We have minus 316 into minus 1. Minus into minus becomes plus by this rule, and 316 into 1 is remaining. 316 into 1 is 316. In both these problems, we have used the rule minus into minus plus. So, these minus signs became plus in both the conditions and we got the answers. Now, let us solve another question. If you see E bit, we have minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Right? We need not solve this because we have 0. See, any number into 0, anything into 0, universe into 0 is also 0. So, the answer is 0. Right? Now, let us see F bit. We have minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. First, let us solve these negative integers. That is, we have the rule minus into minus is equal to plus. So, these two negative integers, that is minus 12 into minus 11. That means minus into minus becomes plus. So they become 12 into 11, the remaining number into 10. Right? Now 12 11s are 132 into remaining number 10. 132 into 10, 1320. Now, let us see another question. We have GeopByte as 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. If you observe, we have the same condition minus into minus as in the previous problems. That is minus into minus plus. Let us write 9 as it is into this minus 3 into minus 6 becomes 3 into 6, that is now all are positive integers. Now we can multiply these numbers in any order, right? Now let us multiply. 9 3s are 27. The leftover number is 6, right? 27 6 are 162. You can also multiply this like 6 3s are 18. 9 into 18. Write 9 as it is. 6 3s are 18. 9 into 18, 162. There is no order for multiplication. Right? Now let us see this one. We have minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. If you see, here we have 3 minus signs. Till now, we have gone through only 2 minus signs. Now, we have 3. Let us solve. First, let us take any two integers. Either these two or these two, right? Let us go in an order. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. So, 18 into 5. Right? Minus into minus, it became plus. 18 into 5 into the leftover number is minus 4. Right? Now, we have minus and 2 plus. That is 2 positive integers and a negative integer. We can't do anything now. The answer comes in negative integer only, as we have only one negative integer. Right? Now, what is 18 fives? 18 fives are 90. 18 fives are 90. Into, we have minus 4. Right? 90 into 4. 360. We have the sign minus. So, the answer comes negative. That is negative integer. We can solve this in another way. That is, we can multiply 5 into 4 first. That is, right, 18 into 5 4s are 20. We have minus, so 18 into minus 20. This also comes minus 360. Right? There is no order for multiplication. Now, let us see next question. We have I-bit as minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. If you see, it is as similar to the previous problem, that is, we have 3 minus signs. Note an important point here, that when odd number of minus signs, that is a single minus sign or 3 minus signs or 5 minus signs. Right? When odd number of minus signs are there in a multiplication, the answer comes only in negative integer. Right? When even number of minus signs, that is 2 and 4 and so on, right? when even number of minus signs are there, the answer comes in positive integer. Remember this. Right? Now, let us solve this bit. We have minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. First, consider these two numbers, right? Minus into minus becomes plus, that is 1 into 2 into minus 3 into 4. Right? Now, let us multiply the positive integers first. 2 ones are or 1 twos are 2 into minus 3 into 4. Now, 2 fours are 8 or 4 twos are 8 into the leftover integer minus 3. Right? Now, 8 threes are 24. As we have minus sign, it is minus 24. Right? Now, let us see this question. Here we have minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. That is, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus signs. That is, even number of minus signs, we will get answer in positive integer. Let us see. We have minus into minus plus, that is 3 into 6. Right? Into minus 2 into minus 1. That is minus into minus plus. It becomes 2 into 1. All the negative integers became positive integers. Now let us multiply. 3 6 are 18 into 2 into 1. 3 6 are 18. The leftover numbers are written. Now 18 twos are 36. The leftover number is written. 18 twos are 36 into 1. Right? 36 ones are 36. If you see, in this case, we have odd number of minus signs. That is 3 minus signs. We got negative integer as answer. In this case, we have 4 minus signs. That is even number of minus signs. We got positive integer as answer. Now, let us see second question, that is verify the following. Right? They have given a bit, that is 18 into in brackets 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 in the brackets plus 18 into minus 3 in brackets. If you clearly see this, it is in the form of distributive property, that is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Right? Like here, if you consider a is equal to 18, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 3. Right? If you take these as 18, 7 and minus 3, it is in the form of this. Right? Now, let us verify LHS is equal to RHS. First, let us take the left hand side, that is LHS. This part 18 into 7 plus of minus 3. This is the given thing. Now, let us do the part which is inside the brackets. Right? 7 plus into minus, minus 3. Right? I have written 18 into as it is, 7 plus into minus, minus 3. Right? It becomes 7 minus 3 is 4. 18 fours are 72. Right? 18 fours are 72. Now, let us prove the RHS is equal to the LHS. That is, first let us solve the RHS. We have 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7. We have 18 into 7 is 126 and plus that is 18 into minus 3. We will get the answer in minus. So it is minus 54. 18 threes are 54. We have minus here, so it is minus 54. Now 126 plus into minus minus 54. Right? 126 minus 54 is 72. See, we got the left hand side as 72 and right hand side as 72. We have verified that LHS is equal to RHS. Now, let us see another question, that is B bit. We have minus 21 into in brackets minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equal to in brackets minus 21 into minus 4 plus in brackets minus 21 into minus 6. If you see, this is also in the form of distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Right? If you see, here A is minus 21, B is minus 4, C is minus 6. Right? Now, they asked to verify, means we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. First, let us solve left hand side, that is LHS. We have minus 21 into, in brackets, minus 4 plus of minus 6. Right? If you solve this, you will get minus 4 plus into minus, minus 6. Right? Plus into minus, minus 6. Minus 21 into minus 4, minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 plus 4, 10. That is minus 10. Right? Now, we have minus 21 into minus 10 in multiplication. Minus and minus becomes plus. 21 tens are 210. That is, we got positive integer 210. Now, let us verify the right hand side, that is RHS. Now, let us write the given value, that is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Right? Now, let us solve this one, that is, we have minus 21 into minus 4. So, minus into minus becomes plus. 21 fours are 84. Right? Positive integer 84 and we have plus here. We have minus 21 into minus 6. Now, minus into minus plus 21 6 are 126. Right? We will get a positive integer 126. 126 plus 84 is nothing but 210. Right? In the left hand side, we got 210. On the right hand side, we got 210. That is, we verified that LHS is equal to RHS.
GeopByte.